Hey everyone, welcome back to Awesomer Kids. Today we'll be checking out this Dr. Drill and Fill playset. This is an old school Play-Doh set, so we're going back in time. Let's take everything out of the box, and then we'll begin. Alright, so we get a giant can of white Play-Doh. Here's a can of gold Play-Doh. Here's an electric drill, and if you press this blue button, the drill spins. This will come in handy. Okay, we get a pair of tweezers. Here's an excavator. And here's a mouth mirror. Now let's attach these two pieces. Say hello to baby grandpa. Whoops! He can't hear anything right now. Let's attach his ears. Don't worry, baby grandpa. We'll get you a full set of teeth soon. Okay. Here's the base, and we can use it to hold all our dental tools. And we can make baby grandpa's teeth using the two different tooth molds. Let's organize everything now. Baby grandpa goes right here. Mouth mirror goes right here. Excavator can go here. And the tweezers can go right here. Perfect! Everything's all set. Now we have to give baby grandpa a tongue and some brand new teeth. Let's use the red Play-Doh to make the tongue. We have to put in the Play-Doh, so let's detach baby grandpa for a second. Insert the Play-Doh. Attach the top part of the head again. And press down. Here's baby grandpa's red tongue. Now it's time to make the teeth. Use white Play-Doh, and this mold makes the front teeth. Here's one perfect white tooth. Let's attach it right here. Now let's make another one. Attach that one right here. Let's keep going. Insert the third tooth here. Here's the fourth. Now let's insert the front teeth for the top. Perfect! Baby grandpa looks better already. Alright, let's make the back teeth. We'll need to use this mold now. Here's one. Let's make a few more. Here's the second one. Here's the third one. And the fourth one. Let's finish up the bottom first. Now work on the top. Excellent! Baby Grandpa now has a full set of teeth. What a great smile you have. Why, hello there! I can finally talk! Thank you! I'm quite hungry. Can you make me some food? Sure thing, Baby Grandpa. Let's start by taking out some red Play-Doh. We're also going to need the Magic Microwave's help today. Let's put this in the Magic Microwave and hopefully it transforms into something yummy. Awesome! We got a red apple. Alright, Baby Grandpa, let me slice this red apple for you. Let's test out your brand new teeth. Here comes the apple. Something seems a bit off, but here's the other half. Uh-oh. Baby Grandpa, your brand new teeth. 2 of them turned red after you ate the apple. No worries. Just keep feeding me. Alright. Let's take out some yellow Play-Doh now. Let's see what the Magic Microwave turns this into. A yellow banana! Perfect! Let me cut this in half. Here comes the first piece. Now here comes the second piece. Well, Baby Grandpa has 2 yellow teeth. I'm still hungry. Okay, let's use purple Play-Doh to make you some more food. Put this in the Magic Microwave, and let's see what yummy treat comes out next. A purple eggplant! Perfect! Let's cut this in half. Alright, Baby Grandpa. Here's some veggies. Here's the second one. Let's take you to the dentist. Your new teeth aren't so new anymore. Welcome to Awesomer Dentistry. Let's take a look and see what the problem is. We'll start by using a mouth mirror to examine your teeth. Okay. Okay, these need to be replaced. We'll use this electric drill to remove all the colorful teeth. Let's play the color matching game while we're at it. Since the color red popped out, let's find the red tooth. Is it this one? This is a purple tooth. What about this one? This is a yellow tooth. Then this? Yes! We found the red tooth. Let's remove it. Whoa, spinning red tooth. Alright, let's replace this with a brand new tooth. Okay, red popped out again. Let's find the same colored tooth. Is it this one? This one's yellow. How about this one? This one's purple. Is this one red? Yes! We found another red tooth. Let's remove it. Let's replace this red tooth with a brand new tooth. Alright. Let's find the yellow tooth. Is it this? Awesome! We found it right away. Let's take it out. Now let's replace this yellow tooth with a brand new tooth. Moving on. Let's find another yellow tooth. Is this one yellow? This is a purple tooth. How about this one? Yes! We found another yellow tooth. Drill it out. And let's replace this yellow tooth with a brand new tooth. Next up, let's find the purple tooth. Is this one purple? Yes, it is! Let's remove it. And let's replace this purple tooth with a brand new white tooth. The last color is purple. Is it a match? It sure is! Awesome! And here's the last tooth we'll be replacing today. Attach the brand new tooth. And baby grandpa has healthy teeth again.
Oh, thank you so much! The food was delicious! And thank you for fixing up my teeth again! I feel like a new man!
Come back anytime, baby grandpa. You're always welcome here.